how to fix your brother MFC-J1365DW printer in case you're having issues with maybe the Wi-Fi, maybe something else. Well, there's a few different things you can try. The first thing I always suggest is that you go ahead and unplug the power cord. Wait 2 minutes and then plug it back. There's a good chance that this small restart that will not delete anything will be able to solve most software problems. If you're still having the issue, you can do a factory reset that will erase some stuff or everything, depending what you want to do. So let me just explain to you. Once the screen is awake, press the settings button, go down, select, not this one, over here, initial setup, select reset. And now you have machine reset, you have network reset. The network reset will only reset the Wi-Fi. So if this is the issue, you can simply reset this part of the printer and not the whole thing. And then you have all settings. All settings is if you want to do a factory reset. And this will solve most problems because the printer will be like a brand new one at the end. So select all settings if this is what you want to do, and you're going to need to keep press this right side arrow over here 2 seconds to confirm, and the reboot, the reset will begin. Usually it takes less than a minute and the printer will be like a brand new one. Unfortunately, you'll be able to make it work. This is it. Please leave a comment if you have other solutions or if one of these worked. Comment about anything else and I'll see you in the next video.